Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add featured products on Squarespace. This is a great way to highlight your best items and draw attention to them on your website. On your Squarespace dashboard, click on Products and Services. Once we're here, click on Products to open it up. To make a product featured, click on the product and then scroll down until we see the Featured Product option. To add this item as a featured product, we just need to enable it. As you can see, it has been added and is now showing in our featured products. To add another one, click the item again and scroll down until we see the Featured Product option. Enable it and it will be marked as a featured product. As you can see, we now have two featured products. To add one more, simply click the item, then enable the Featured Product option, and it will automatically appear in your featured products on Squarespace. And that's how we add featured products on Squarespace. With this simple setup, we can showcase our top products and boost engagement on our site.